Network Entertainment.
Hi girls and boys, kami ang
Lady Bosses!
Mga sisteralets!
CR tayo, let's go!
Hi girls, may ask ko lang ako.
What is your ask lang?
Hi girls.
Ang ask ko lang ko ay, ano usually yung ginagawa nyo pag after school? Ano yung ginagawa nyo sa bahay? Ano yung mga activities nyo?
Nung panahon natin, bilang bata.
Siguro
kala ko school yung
elementary or high school. Ano yung mga...
kids. Iba generation natin eh.
Teka lang,
Okay lang,
magkalayo
basta
ng age
10
kayo.
years.
Okay lang.
Anong panahon nyo? Anong ginagawa?
Shit ka. Ganun. TV, ang TV pa no, no? Ang TV na, 4:30 na. Tapos manonood kami na ang TV.
Sino yung mga ang TV?
Patrick
Angelica
Garcia.
Panganiban. Diba?
Oo, bata pa siya na noon.
Friends with her.
Kami
What, you were there? You were part of the cast?
I know her and Greg, diba? They live in Subic.
I thought you was part of the cast. Batibot ka nga
But,
pala na
yes.
ang TV.
She's lovely.
Ikaw, Jeannie, sa probinsya, anong ginagawa mo na?
Nung high school.
Bakit ng puno?
Actually, yes. Oo.
Nakuha ng buko.
Ang cute naman yung tawa ng baby na to. Oo, like, naglalaro sa labas. Yung TV, pinaka-gadget na namin, TV noon eh. Pero mostly naglalaro talaga sa labas.
High school ba? High school.
High
school and elementary.
Elementary.
What part did you grow up in? Like, what part of the Philippines?
I grew up here sa Katipunan.
Okay.
Pero nung high school ako, I transferred sa province namin dito sa Nueva Vizcaya.
Okay. Was that hard when you moved?
No,
No,
kasi every summer nandun kami.
Okay.
So parang oo.
Ikaw, Alex, after school.
I would do sports like swimming. I was on the swim team.
Sobrang proactive mo.
I
Oo.
know.
No, was it your choice? Something...
Wait. San to? Dito?
It was here. I was always doing something. If it was ballet or swimming or gymnastics.
Wow.
I think there
Ayaw
was
ka talaga
always
ng
an
parents mo sa
activity.
bahay.
Here I know.
Nilalayo ka muna.
I know. They're like, look how tall she is. Definitely knock something over. Keep her outside of the house.
Keep her outside.
It was here and wherever we moved to. Because my dad worked for the United Nations, so I was born here, lived here 8 years. Tapos we moved to Africa for 5 years, and then the States for.
Pressure ba?
Yeah, a little
Like,
bit.
do you like it?
The moving or all
No,
the
no,
or
no, I
the-
mean
the extracurricular.
Yeah, the
the
sports,
gymnastics
yes,
hobbies.
because it was nice to like be around other kids, and then
Okay.
I was quite athletic, so it was
So
a
parang
nice
play lang
outlet.
talaga
Yes.
sa'yo.
Until it became like more serious. Swimming was hard because then it was all year round. You know, you had to do like
And
in
you were
this.
competing already.
You were competing. You were spending your weekends at swim meets, so that became taxing and more like a job. But
Nung nasa Africa ka, ano yung mga kalaro mo? Mga elephants?
Giraffe, matangkad.
when I moved to the States, and I didn't. I think when I first moved to the States, that's when I realized that like, wow, adults are like dumb, huh? Like there are adults who are older and not as. I know it. Who are as smart because adults were asking me questions like, "Oh, you moved from Africa. Did you used to have a pet tiger?" Like that, and I would be like, as an 11-year or 8 or whatever, and I would be like, first of all, tigers are only native to Asia. Or they would ask me things like, have you ever seen a car before? Did you used to wear a loincloth? I got asked, and I was like, which is weird because when you've experienced, you know, you would no one prepares you like, hey, some adults don't know the world and might ask you, you know, because as a kid who's like, you're like, of course I've seen cars before. Or like, that would be like asking. I remember, I think in the encyclopedia about the Philippines, there was the wrong information where they said, oh, you know, Filipinos live in trees, things like that. But it would be like someone coming to you and being like, oh my gosh, have you ever seen a house before? Like, did you live in trees, right? You guys, you're very much like, as a child, you would be like, what is this person on? What kind of, what? Yeah. Because you don't think about.
Someone even asked me, for example, I used to live in Makati in a certain village, and people would think it's like a village with the tribes.
No,
It's a posh
really?
village in Makati.
That's so fun.
What, like a village? Like you still have the
you have-
tribesmen
Kasi
there.
yung word na village.
It evokes,
Feeling na tipi.
diba?
Oo, mga ganyan. Nakakatawa.
Oh my gosh.
Ikaw, okay.
Ay, ako, ano ba? Naglalaro din sa labas. Oo. Tsaka uso yun sa atin dati, di ba, yung jackstones, pick up sticks.
Yes. Oo.
Piko.
Yan. Piko.
I do
Outdoor sports.
I do remember. This is gonna get a little X-rated, but that's okay. The baby won't know what I'm talking about.
Remember.
I remember as a kid after school with a friend, like a girlfriend or whatever. I went over to her house to play, and we went to her bathroom because she wanted to show me the pressure like on her shower head and down. And she was like, "It feels really nice if you put it down there." I remember her telling me as a kid, and I was like,
How old were you guys then?
like 6 or no, maybe like 8 or like that. Yeah. And I remember being like, but we weren't like doing
Masarap
anything
lang.
together. Yeah, it was just like a fact. Like, hey, if you put it down there, and then I thought, oh my God, yeah, that. Like, I mean, like Wicked Dogs, the pressure of the one. Every time I use it, when you come across a very strong, pressured, like what do you call
come
shower
across.
head?
Like,
Yeah, you're
come
like, reminds me of being a child again.
Gaganon ka.
But you never like tested your sexual or like explored your sexuality after school as a kid? No, is that just bawal? Or you just? Because I remember like kissing a cousin, always girls, like because we'd like play house and then I'd like I don't know, and then we'd like play husband and wife or something. Like it just naturally progressed to that point. Nothing X-rated, just very like exploring.
Innocent.
Baka kasi malaki yung bahay nyo, gano'n. Tapos hindi nakikita ng magulang.
Yeah,
Sa amin
you're
kasi
right.
pag gano'n pala, hi, ano yan?
Bantay sarado.
You're right, diba? Yeah. What are you doing in the living room, diba?
In the kitchen. Not while we are eating.
Ba't mo natanong?
Oo, natanong ko kasi kami noon, elementary, yung mga grade 4, grade 5, isa sa mga ginagawa ko ay ang manood ng Meet Your Garden.
Meteor. Spell meteor. Talaga ba?
Oo.
Tama, 90s to, no? High
Oo,
school na ako
90s
noon.
or early 2000s, ganyan.
Early 2000s
2000 siguro nga, oo.
Kaya naalala ko lang kasi nga dahil rest in peace, si Barbie Shue ay pumanaw na. Si Barbie Shue ang Sunshine, siya yung leading lady doon.
Yeah, okay, I read about that.
Oh, baby, 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 my baby, baby.
Bahala na. Basta yun na yun.
Tapos sobrang phenomenon sila nun. Tsaka sa mga kabataan na hindi nakakaalam, before ng Meet Your Garden, hindi uso ang mga Asian drama.
That's true. Yeah.
Diba? Before that, we had Mexican.
Oo.
Diba? Talia was a big star.
Wow.
Yeah, so sila ang mga nagpauso ng mga chinita,
Oo.
'di ba, na artista. Before kasi puro mistisa eh.
Yun yung K-pop natin noon, no? Yung F4.
Oo. Tapos ngayon nga, yung K-pop parang medyo social na siya, 'di ba? Mga mayayaman at pupunta silang Korea, ganyan, nanonood silang Blackpink. Noon parang Jejemon ka, 'di ba?
Pagka nanonood ka ng
Pag
Meet Your
nanonood ka ng
Garden.
mga ganyan. So, ayun. Kaya ko lang naalala.
Tsaka uuwi ka pa talaga para mapanood mo eh. Otherwise, mamimiss out mo yung episode.
Oo,
Yeah.
kasi wala pang streaming
Walang
nun eh.
streaming.
Wala pang streaming nun. So, sobrang phenomenon siya. Tapos, ang nakita ko rin na unique, kaya sila sobrang sumikat. Kasi, di ba yung F4, aside from acting, boy band din sila.
Were they? Really?
Oo, boy band sila.
So, nag-tour din sila to sing.
Kumakanta sila.
Saka
Tapos,
dancer sila, di ba?
Oo.
Si Vanessa, di ba?
Oo.
Vanessa Wu, siya
Oo.
lang yung nag-i-English sa kanila. Yun lang yung
Sila
alam
ay
ko.
mga Chinese di ba?
Taiwanese.
Taiwanese. Okay.
Was this something you and all of your friends would watch? Tapos the next day at school, you would say,
we'll talk about it.
That, yeah, so it
and
was.
we all
it
have
was ganyan.
someone, we had a group ganyan. Tas parang kanya-kanya kaming crush
Yeah.
dun sa
Bawal
F4.
agawan.
Yes.
Who was yours?
Designated
Who was
crush.
your-
Sa akin si Kenchu.
Sino nga si
Siya yung
Kenji?
mabait.
Yung pinaka
Why did you like
crush na
him?
mabait.
Ah,
Kasi yung
kasi he was
character niya is the nice guy, ganyan.
was your
Siya yung kaagaw ni ano.
Hindi.
Si
Ang
Dao Ming
magkaasawa doon, ang magkaagaw doon si Wasilei tsaka si si Dao Ming Se. Yan.
Who was the most popular? Like the
Si
hot
Dao Ming
Dao
Se.
Ming Se.
With
Why?
the
Because he was the
kasi
hot.
parang he was
kasi
the bad
yung-
boy.
Parang surprise
But you
dito.
went for the nice one.
Oo.
But I'm surprised that Jeline used to have friends.
Used to.
That's the surprise for today's episode. Pero yun din yung crush ko. Si Ken. Siya yung medyo moreno, di ba?
Hindi siya masyadong Chinese yung itsura niya. Para siyang tisoy siguro.
Oo. May problema ka sa Chinese?
Sa akin siguro si Vanes.
Oo.
Kasi ano siya, normal siyang tao. Hindi siya, normal siya. Like siya siguro yung walang enhancement na pinagawa sa mukha.
Natural yung mukha niya.
O, tas siya yung most, sa kanilang apat, siya yung Americanized. So, mas nagigets ko, I get what he say. Yung parang, pati yung accent niya, naiintindihan ko. Yung mga ganun.
Tsaka he's very talented. He's really good in dancing. Para siyang he performs while dancing, ganyan. Song and dance. Para siyang Michael Jackson kung gumalaw. Parang ganun.
Tsaka normal siya. I mean, hindi siya.
So first we say Jeline doesn't have any friends, and then we say her crush is abnormal. This is a safe space. Did you end up with a bad boy or a nice guy in real life, or did I just get you in trouble?
Somewhere in the middle, yeah. There's good and bad.
Yeah. So he's a man.
Ikaw, okay, nanood ka ba ng mga ganyan, F4?
Kasi hindi masyado Hindi ako masyado nagti-TV nung bata. Hindi nga totoo, hindi masyado nagti-TV. Kasi nga, lagi nasa labas. Kapares kami ni Alex. Ayaw kami ng parents namin sa bahay. Hindi kasi ako na lang natirang bata noon So, grown up na yung tatlo. So, tapos hindi ko talaga interest yung TV. Di ba hindi nga ako ma-watch ng series, ng movies. Mas gusto kong nasa labas ako. Mas outdoor.
Kayo ba, sa side of your family, what do you watch? Like,
My parents.
ano yung binibinge watch
My
ninyo?
parents love sort of like Agatha, because my dad's English, and they love these like murder mystery,
Oh, yeah.
like Agatha Christie type. But my mom also watches all of the Korean, like Chloe. She was very into that.
Chloe is Crash
Landing.
Landing.
And then she has all these other ones that she's been watching. I think she was into a Mongolian one for a while. But as a family, we tend to just watch anything that doesn't have a sex scene in it, because it is so uncomfortable to watch that.
Yeah.
Do you know the movie Saltburn? Have you heard about?
Yeah.
My older brother last year said, "Oh, it's a great movie. You should watch it with the parents." And he set me up, because if you know anything about this movie, like there's a scene where the guy is drinking a bathtub that has jizz water in it, you know. Yeah, exactly. And then after that scene, I thought, okay, that wasn't so bad. We got through it. And then there's another scene where the character eats a girl out while she's on her period. So then his whole face is covered in blood. And then I'm there next to my mom's here, my dad's there, and I'm going, oh my gosh.
Ginago ka na.
Yeah, and then and then that ended, and I thought, okay, this is okay, surely no more. And then the last scene, the guy like has sex with the ground, like he has sex. So a character dies, and he's been buried, so he feels sad, so he takes his dick out and he, has sex in the ground.
Necrophilia.
Yeah, and then I thought, why did my brother set me up like this? Why? It kept getting worse and worse. I don't know how we got
Ang
there.
masama doon, ikaw pa nagsabi, Mom, Dad, tara, movie date tayo.
Yes. And when you're all, because you're already and you're committed, so we all just picked a different part of the room to focus on. If we looked at each other's eyes, it would just.
Were you eating when you were watching?
It was awful. Do not
Wala
recommend.
mo lang nagsabi sa inyo, palitan niyo na yung movie na yun.
Yeah,
Ayaw
yeah,
niya.
do not.
Wala.
Pinanindigan
Wala bang ibang movie?
Can we just watch Harry Potter again?
Parang yun din yung difference. Isa sa mga difference ng mga Asian shows kaysa sa mga Western. Wala masyadong sexy.
Oo.
Yeah, very wholesome.
Oo.
Yeah.
Mas ano tayo anong tawag doon? Mas conservative. Kasi alam ko yung mga Koreans, sabi nila, kasi may mga students ako naging Korean, sabi nila, hindi daw sila ma-PDA.
Oh, really?
Yeah, parang they,
Kasi bawal or they just
sweeter.
hindi daw sila masyadong hindi nila pinapakita masyado sa ano.
At saka,
Japanese
diba yung
ganyan
parang one way of, hindi naman, parang love language nila yung nambabatok. Parang ganun. Hitting someone.
Talaga ba?
Sa mga
mga
Korean
Korean,
novela, ganun
oo.
yun.
Oo, tama.
Diba? Parang may ganun.
Oo.
Oo, parang sassy girl, 'di ba? Yung sassy girl, parang gusto mo sapakin kita, 'di ba? Ginagawa
parang
ganun siya, 'di
ganyan.
ba?
But Pinoys love PDA, diba? Like
Yeah.
even when they're even like straight guys who go
yeah,
around with
yeah.
all their
Wrap
friends,
around.
mga ganyan, right? Like they're very tender and
Pero
affectionate.
siguro sa movies or sa mga series, yes, pinapakita nila. Pero yung normal nila relationships, hindi sila maganon daw eh.
Kaya pala doon lang ako nakapanood nung, alam mo yung magta-touch lang yung ganito nila.
Kilig na kilig na.
Tapos parang,
Ano ba yan?
starved for
sobrang repressed, no? Repressed.
Pero siguro sa mga panahon na, like, siguro feeling ko magbabago yung yung style ng Korean novela.
storytelling.
Oo, siguro magkakaroon ng sex scenes na rin next
Baka meron, hindi lang nakakarating sa atin.
Oo.
Alam niya, meron na. Meron na talaga sa akin. Di, meron na nga.
Japanese.
Japanese pala.
because there was a history in the film, right? There have been like sex films or like sex. I don't know how to describe, but like not super explicit, but like sexy type of films were popular at one point, diba?
Yes.
Like,
Bomba
all these-
film,
yeah.
Seiko, for the
Seiko.
Philippines.
yeah.
But not in like free TV, more like movies.
But they were still being
Yeah,
made, diba?
yeah.
Yung- I remember at one point they were naming like the porn stars or the bomba stars after
Soft drinks.
well-known families. There was like a Bambi Benitez. There was like they were like
Yeah,
they
Diana
named-
Zabiri.
and they
Yeah, that's
named
true.
themselves.
Yeah.
They were like naming themselves after like the well-known family.
Chris
So,
Aquino,
ganyan.
gano'n.
Totoong tao si Chris Aquino.
Hi, I'm Joelle, and I'm back. Did you miss me? I wouldn't call this a season 2, but rather just another era with more lessons, realizations, and thoughts from all the overthinking. And it's not just gonna be me this time. We'll have special guests, other POVs, para mas marami pa tayong masagot na paano kungs ng buhay to hopefully help you find the answers you're looking for. Tara, this is Joelle's podcast, Paano Kung.
Kayo, ano yung mga napanood nyo na Asian novela na,
Gusto ko yung Coffee Prince.
ay, oo.
Comedy siya. Doon ko nagustuhan si Gong Yoo.
Gong Yoo.
Gwapo niya doon eh. Parang mayabang pero sweet pala. Oh, shucks, kinikilig
Can
ako.
you explain the concept? Coffee,
Coffee Prince.
He works at
needed to
Starbucks.
work. she was hired by this cafe, but she pretended to be a man to be part of the staff.
No, I love this already. Really? So that's the only way she could get hired?
Yes.
And
Parang siyang Mulan.
does she fall in love with her manager or
Exactly.
something?
No, the owner of that cafe.
Yeah, but she can't reveal her love. 'cause
Yes.
she's- oh my God.
So the cafe owner was really torn because he thought that he was falling in love with a male.
Oh, shit.
Catfishing and
time.
thinking he was gay.
Identity
Oh
crisis.
my gosh. This is so Shakespearean. I love it.
Yeah. So it was partly comedy, but it was a love story also. That was like 10 years ago or even more.
No, 10 years ago.
Wala na siyang movie masyado na yung girl doon. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan
Oo,
niya.
parang hindi din siya masyadong.
Hindi na siya
ano.
masyadong showbizy. So that one.
Ang sumikat noon, pero hindi ko pinanood, Playhouse.
Playhouse.
O baka masyado ng mabata. Masyado ka ng bata.
You were still in the playhouse when it was
She was still playing in
came out.
Ako, ang napanood ko, hindi ako masyado Korean novela, pero napanood ko Parasite.
Yeah.
Para sa ganda ng para sa.
Oo. Yun.
Oscar
dark,
Best
sobrang dark
Picture.
naman nung parang sweetie to patayan.
Pero ang galing, no?
Galing na
Ibig
ba?
sabihin, they have a lot of range, diba? They can produce tweetums, and high-end quality that can
Kingdom,
And then
Squid Games.
Oscar-worthy.
Ang ganda ng ng sulat nila. Ang galing ng actors nila. Alam mo yun, yung parang basta magaling.
I think they really purposely, with the support of the government, chose to promote their entertainment because it's their only way to export their talents. Like, they didn't have too much produce. Like, for example, the Philippines, we have the agriculture here. So, that's how they earn for the country. It was a decision.
Saka gumagawa sila ng sarili lang historical places. So-called. Diba? Pero ang ginagawa nila, yung mga set scenes ng mga movies nila.
Sa
ng,
Jeju.
Anong tawag
Ay, tama
nito?
ba?
Jeju Island.
Yung mga Korean novela. So, like yung bahay,
Yeah.
bahay na pinagshootingan ng ganito. So, ang daming
Pati sa
naman
mga
talaga
Philippines,
nilang
yung dati
na-attract na
pinupuntahan.
tourist para pumunta
And
doon.
even outside South Korea, like for example in Switzerland, the scene where they did the crash landing by
pinuntahan
the lake, it's now a tourist destination, and they put the gate, so you have to pay like 5
Entrance fee.
francs first entrance fee to get in and have a picture. Imagine that.
O kasi parang napanood ko yan, na kinokontrol na nila yung crowd kasi nakaka-istorbo na dun sa mga neighbors.
Community.
Dun sa
It's
community.
so popular.
Kasi ang dami ng pumupuntang
Nakapila-pila
turista.
talaga siya.
Ang galing.
Galing, di ba?
Parang pinag-isipan eh.
Oo.
no?
Alam ko nga kahit yung food, parang all shows are required to show their food.
Oo.
So now we're all eating kimchi,
Soju. And the way they
diba?
eat it, it's like it's
Sarap na
really
sarap.
Like,
My-
you want to eat.
Yeah, I don't watch, but my mom always talks about it, and she talks about how they make it a point to showcase Korean, dishes and delicacies, and to make it look so good, which is so smart
Yeah.
to just like a
Marketing
subtle
strategy.
propaganda, diba, for the rest of the world.
May
Like,
franchise na nga yung BBQ chicken, the one that was featured in Chloe. They already have a franchise here in the Philippines.
Sa
and it's doing well.
Mega Mall, meron
Mega
na.
Mall,
Oo.
meron
Nakita
sa
ko sa
Nuvali,
Mega
meron na rin.
Field
Tas masarap
trip.
naman. Field trip. But I wonder if they really eat that way in real life. Because they like talk and then chew at the same time. Nasarap na sarap eh, no? Well, manners-wise, it's not good also. Di ba kumakain ka with your
Tas
mouth
maingat.
open? Talking, di ba? Maganyan, matunog.
Pero, yung ganyang sound sa Japanese, parang one way of saying na masarap yung food. Pag maingay, to express na masarap yung
Enjoying it.
kinakain mo.
Pati yung
Mas
pag-
maingay,
ano,
mas
diba?
gusto nila.
Gaganyan mo yung
Well, parang sa porn nila, mas maingay.
Mas maingay, mas masarap. Tama naman.
Ang pangit na.
no, wait, did you know, I talked about this in my last stand-up show I did, but do you know what the number 3 most searched word for Pornhub for straight porn is? Pinay.
No.
Yeah.
Why? Is it a fetish now?
And the number 3 top searched word for gay porn in a Pornhub? Pinoy.
Bakit?
And the number 3 country to use Pornhub in the world? Philippines. We're number 3.
Baka this is where we should focus
Yeah.
our entertainment.
Really? I'm like, no, I'm a proud
partner with the
Pinay.
And then we do it in the historical science.
Imagine, like, because the number 1 searches must be like anal or, like, but like number 3 is Pinay. Over that.
Hindi, kasi kung dito rin nanggagaling yung search, sinesearch natin yung lahi din natin.
No, it's worldwide, huh? The search term Pinay is like the number 3 most searched term on Pornhub
Sa tingin niyo,
internationally.
bakit kaya?
Because look at us.
Hindi yung mukha niya.
Ayaw mag-agree. All 3 you have tight pussies because you had cesareans, right? Like that's why they search. No, I just thought to be an interesting fact that like that the Philippines is gaining popularity.
Dapat
in-
next time yung mga videos natin security guard at Rizal Park. Ay, di ba? like to
I know. I'm like, I wanna. That's all. I'm like, I just want some guy to like smack me around like a Sampaguita girl. Just be around me, just like. Instead of draw me like one of your French girls, like just be mean to me like I'm a Sampaguita girl.
Farmer in Banawe Rice Terraces plants his seed.
We could make a lot of money, huh?
Pero naalala ko
Viva
yung
Max.
Naalala ko yung Rose Battle titles nung sa atin. Di ba gano'n? Clickable. Ano siya?
Clickbait siya. Anong ginawa? Ano sinulat?
Gano'n, parang porn title
Nung
siya.
pinaglaban kayo?
Girl on girl action.
Oh my God!
Sino nagsulat? Si Gold?
Oh,
Grabe
si
talaga
Gold.
yun. Raulo.
Sobrang clickbait
That's
noon.
really
no?
good. Pinay, just write Pinay now. Pinay on Pinay action. Diba?
Why is that? Why sudden the surge for Pinay porn?
I don't know. What.
It's better
but
than like
that'd be an interesting.
minors. Right. I mean, it's better.
Yeah, better than like Stepbrother or any of that kind of.
Or stepmom with a washing machine, whatever.
With the washing machine.
I just heard about it. Oh, it's one of the comedian's jokes. I don't really get it actually.
James,
James ba yun?
so specific.
Pero kaya natin yun. No? Kasi parang dito we have a lot of talent. We have a lot of creatives.
Yeah.
Parang sayang din no?
Kung may magka-fund, yun yung problema eh. Kasi,
Di ba nagsisimula na yung yung
10 utos ni.
hindi, yung
Mga series natin. Tama.
meron na, 'di ba yung kay
Can't Buy Me Love.
Yung kay Barbie, yung sa GMA.
Barbie Almandis.
Yung
sa
Ibarra,
Barbie
yung may
Imperial.
Oo.
Ay, Barbie, yung isa pang Barbie.
The Fortesa?
Yun.
Yung series nila
Yung Maria Clara.
Maria
Yung-
Clara.
Oo, yung parang pupunta siya back in time.
Oo. Medyo nagsa-start na. Ewan ko lang kung kinakagat ng tao.
Gusto nila ng submissive.
Di gusto nila kasi lagi may love team.
Akala ko
May
nasa
formula.
porn balik.
And we're back.
Actually, nandun ako.
Maria Clara sa porn.
Pwede, Pinay. Pasok pa rin doon sa Pinay theme.
Filipiniana porn.
Pwede.
Sponsored by Camiseta or whatever the Cultura. Yeah.
Kultura.
Sponsored by Quiapo.
Gagawala ko nga nasa porn pa rin tayo.
Hindi. Yung mga shows na ngayon na bago, pati mga movies.
Mas
Kaya
nagte-take
naman
na
eh.
sila ng risk,
Oo.
Kasi sabi, di ba, parang ang kalakaran dito, ikakast muna.
Oo nga. No, walang audition. Parang yung role is made for someone.
For
already.
that type of personality.
So, mas pero mas gusto ko yung parang script muna.
Tapos
And then,
mo. Yung audition.
audition.
Mo.
Di ba ganun sa
Para
US?
new talents din.
So, parang,
Sometimes they write the role for the people specifically, though. If it's a big, if they want that
Production house,
person.
but dito kasi talagang they write for the,
Oo,
For
for
the-
the
yeah, I
artista.
saw.
Usually.
I saw a movie recently called The Song of the Fireflies, and the lead was Morissette. Who I
Is
she
this a
does
singer?
movies. Yeah, so she was the singer, and it's about the choir, the award-winning choir out of Leyte.
How
But
is
yeah,
it?
so she was good. I was really thrown. I didn't know there was a singer named Morissette. And the whole time I was like, her parents are big Alanis Morissette. Yeah, and everyone was like, shh. I'm like, it has to be. It has to be Morissette.
isn't it ironic?
It's
So
a very
did you
good
like the movie?
It was a very, very good. I mean, it showcased. It's nice to like showcase the talents of the
Yeah.
Philippines and tell Filipino stories.
Was
I
it a
think.
musical or like
There
they
were
singing
songs.
parts?
Yes,
Or
they
like-
wrote songs, and I think they're going to release the soundtrack separately. But definitely beautiful.
Yeah, kasi it's easier than to sell our work to other countries if they can appreciate the story. Hindi yung parang dahil lang sa artista kaya pinanood. Kasi,
Local lang makaka-appreciate pag ganun eh.
mm-mm.
Hindi nila magigets.
Yeah, sino ba yan?
Oo.
You went to a movie, diba? Recent or like I saw you post a movie premiere recently.
Yeah,
the-
10 utos kay Diyos.
Yeah.
Starring yung mga Cool Pals.
It used to be a stand-up comedian who
Yeah.
passed away already of cancer. Yeah.
Yeah, what kind of cancer was
Lung cancer.
Lung.
Siya eh. Oo.
He has a
Sherwin.
podcast. Ano nga yun?
Cancer culture.
Cancer culture.
Really?
Cancer
of course,
culture.
that's so good. No, it's
That was he had his show in Music Museum, Laban Langs.
Laban lang.
It's like
really,
Laban
yeah,
Lang.
to, yeah,
Laban
like,
lang.
Yeah, the movie is really good if you haven't seen it yet.
Yeah.
You've seen it already. I want to see it.
it's only in theaters or it's streaming. Then you have.
No
I
plans
think
to stream it yet.
Not yet, but I think it's in its second week already in theater.
Usually up to
theaters.
third week.
Yeah.
Hanggang 3 weeks yan, diba? Depende.
Sa ngayon, parang hindi na umabot nga ng second week yung mga Pinoy movies kasi they're waiting it on
You're
Netflix.
waiting for
On
it already.
Netflix.
Yeah, Netflix.
Ngayon, parang since yung mga Cool Pals nga, kakanood. So, parang nag-extend na nag-extend.
That's good.
So, yeah.
Ang galing ng
And
following ng
ang
Cool
galing kasi sila GB, sila James. Si James, siya yun eh. That's his... Parang siya lang, as him. It's as him. Si GB, ano siya eh, ang galing niya umarte doon. That's the first time I saw him na ganun kagaling umarte. Kasi sa ibang, like, Mighty Robo V, mga ano, parang feeling ko hindi pa niya binigay yung best niya doon. Pero ito, this movie, talagang parang, uy, galing mo umarte ah.
You're like, I fuck that.
Pero magaling nga. Yeah, like, parang it's for the Cool Pals, ano, kasi puro cameo ng mga
Wow.
Cool Pals. So,
I'll definitely
Sino nung
watch
ba
it.
nandun?
wala eh. Kasi may kailangan, Star Magic kasi siya.
Ay.
So,
okay.
parang may
Contract
contract,
siya doon. Okay,
something.
sayang. Oo.
Oo nga eh.
Yun lang din ang problema minsan sa Filipino crowd. Kasi pagka may ganon na movie na may sinasabi talaga and it's really from a clear creative direction, hindi din masyadong tinatangkilik. Parang laging gusto yung sikat. Ganyan.
Parang feeling nila not worth the time and
Yeah,
money.
kaya siguro the producers, they tend to hire or get or write movies for yung mga sikat ng mga artista para mas malaki yung kita nila.
Box
Sure,
office.
yung ano.
Oo.
Pero since hindi naman masyadong kilala yung main character nga nila doon hindi masyadong ganun kasikat pa. So hindi masyadong kilala ng ibang mga Pinoys na sa
Hindi siya naging mainstream.
Oh,
kumbaga.
hindi pa talaga mainstream si Gerald eh. Kasi he used to do indie movies, yung mga ganun.
Pero ang ganda nun kasi parang kita mo talaga yung parang pagkilala mo si Sherwin, makikita mo rin na nandun yung ano niya, inspired
Personality
nung
niya.
suffering niya yung ano eh.
Pero nung sinulat niya yun, wala pa siyang cancer noon.
talaga?
Hindi pa niya alam. So parang sobrang coincidence na may lung cancer din yung mami doon.
Spoiler.
Spoiler! Oh, it's such a spoiler. Pero generally, may effort na yung at least Philippine industry, cinema. Philippine cinema industry. Dahil halimbawa yung Kingdom ni Vic Soto
Maganda ba?
Hindi ko napanood, pero at least hindi na Enteng Kabisote. Maganda yung premise. Kasi the premise is, what if the Philippines was never colonized? What would it be now?
Yeah, it gave me chills. That's nice.
Maganda?
Yung, hindi ko napanood eh. Pero parang, ano siya doon, he was a datu.
Oo.
So parang may sarili tayong kingdom.
And then they don't use yung mga salitang hiram, English or Spanish.
Wow.
So,
Just,
Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Pinanood mo na?
Hindi ko pa. Narinig ko lang sa interview.
Parang gusto ko tuloy.
So baybayin, malalalim na
Baybayin
Tagalog.
yung yung mga sulat-sulat. Tapos
Galing.
when they talk, yung malalim na
talaga. No
Tagalog.
inspiration from other language.
Galing.
Maganda yung premise nga niya. Pero hindi siya matunog.
Oo nga.
Wala na ata sa sa theater. Pero yung The Breadwinner Girl, meron pa hanggang ngayon. Nakakaloka.
What's that?
Yung kay Vice Ganda.
Vice ganda. Yan nga eh. Yan yung
Kasi
mga
sikat
pang-mainstream
nga
eh.
si Vice Ganda.
Hanggang ngayon, sa taas ang daming time slot in a day. Kasi nagche-check ako ng mga movies.
So, yun
Kung
yung
hanggang ngayon, meron to February.
So yun yung
December.
yun yung nakakainis. Like yun yung disadvantage ng writing. Yun nga, kaya ayaw ng mga writers to effort na magsulat for unless talagang maganda. Like, yung, nga ba, patay na si Jesus, yan. Ang ganda nun eh. Like, ano pa ba, yung, yung nasa kulungan, si, Gerald Anderson?
On the Job.
On the Job.
Job.
Diba,
DJ,
kinuha
Eric
yan.
Mati.
Parang, yan eh. Kinuha, diba, sa
Oo, parang ginawang series sa Amazon ba? Tama ba?
talaga?
Oo.
Yata.
Hindi, parang it's the movie chopped into different episodes. It's the same movie. But binili nga na Amazon Prime Video.
Galing, di ba? So,
But it's poverty porn in a sense. Parang it's putting the Philippines like in that setting. People would think it's always like that.
Ano ulit have you seen Cars? Ganon.
Do you live in a village? Like with the TV and all?
nakakatawa yun, yung
Village. Village kasi dami. Pero eventually, hopefully, makarating tayo sa point na gano'n na we're selling our entertainment. Kasi we have lots of good singers. Right?
Tsaka yung feeling ko comedy, malaki din talaga yung chance niya. No? Kasi parang kahit sabihin natin hindi sikat yung artista, kung magiging feel good ka after because of the movie, people would watch it.
Yes.
Diba?
And hopefully we can have like movies of our own. Wow, kahit extra lang. Bumalik ka muna sa stand-up.
Oo nga, bumalik muna kayo sa stand-up.
You can cast me as a tree.
Or a starfish.
Kung halimbawa magpo-produce kayo ng movie, or magsusulat kayo ng script, ano yung may isip nyo?
Alam mo, naalala mo yung nagpa-synopsis yung
si Joma.
nag-workshop siya ng script
Joma
writing
Labayan.
or ano.
Hindi na natuloy yun.
Busy na lahat eh.
Ang sinulat ko nun, dark eh. Di ba, sinend ko sa'yo, dark na, na kwento. Kasi, ang gusto niya, kumuha ka ng, news, whatever, kahit saan. Tapos, gawin mong...
Parang gawin mo ng backstory.
Gawin mo ng backstory, yung So, sobrang dark yung, yung ginawa ko. It's like, feeling ko, gusto ko dark comedy.
Dark comedy.
Gusto ko dark comedy. Parang Zombadings, gano'n.
Zombadings classic.
Oo.
Ako yung pinadala ko kay Joma nun, parang drama eh. Na love of a mom. Eksakto yung iyak doon ba eh. Love of a mom to her children. Something like that.
Tapos gusto ko din ng zombie. Gusto ko ng zombie type na na
yung, di ba nireview niyo yung wala ako sayang eh. Yung, yung bago na zombie movie?
Yung kay pangalan nun.
Yung
Basta
family
yun.
at
Yung
Chuchu.
andun si Beauty.
Ano yun? Tagalog yun?
Oo. Ano nga yan, Di? Yung nandun si Beauty?
Outside.
Oo. Outside.
As in, don't go outside because there's zombies.
Parang that's the title. Pero I don't know the connection dun sa mismong movie sa
Sayang din yun kasi parang kulang sa zombie.
Oo. Yung review kasi namin nun, siya, it's not a zombie movie. It's a family problem. It's a family affair thing. Pero ginawang conflict lang yung zombie kaya hindi nila kayang gawin whatever. Basta the wife can't just leave. Yung mga ganon. So, yung conflict doon, yung zombies.
The one I read about online, it's not a movie, but it's a video game, very popular, created by a Pinoy game developer, where you're, as a character, you're playing a balut seller. Tapos you have to sign up, you have to get a permit to sell balut, and it's all this, but it's apparently extremely scary. My jump scares, and I think the bigger plot is that it has to do with the government, like the corruptness of the government or something like that. I don't know, but it's extremely popular internationally right now, and they say it's like one of the scariest but more fun.
You know, it's scary for the international crowd because of the balut.
I know. For me, even just getting in line at any government agency, good luck. You'll be there all day. But the lines are just
Jump scare. Balut.
Jump scare. You have to line up at the bank and you're not senior or PWD.
ano ba siya? SWAT ba siya nun? Ano nga
Yung
ang title nun?
action
Oo,
na
yung
yun.
action niya. Maganda siya.
Yung pagkasabi mo ng action, parang ayaw mo na yung movie.
Maganda.
Ay,
Nakalimutan ko yung
training pa siya dun eh, di
Oo,
ba?
maganda
Training.
maganda yung movie na yun.
training.
Ayaw talaga ni Janine.
Nakalimutan ko yung title, kaya hindi ako nasasalita eh.
Ang work mo yung comedy.
Stand up.
Yung podcast yun.
Yun na nga, tapusin na natin. So, mula sa kaboses yung nagsasabing, whether, hindi ko alam. Mula sa kaboses yung nagsasabing, dami sa Jinko Villas.
Mula sa kaboses niyong gusto yung action ni Ann Curtis, kay Asko.
Mula sa kaboses niyong, my baby, Vanessa, Jean Lakay.
Kami ang
Lady Bosses!
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.